This was once a beast me, but now just a dusty, broken Ford Mustang GT model, abandoned, scratched, forgotten, but not for long. We start with the wheels, cracked and rusty, removed carefully. Next, the body gets a full clean. Years of dust and grime is wiped out in seconds. The windshield, shattered. We replace it with a brand new clear glass. Paint, gone. So we sand it smooth. And here comes the magic. A fresh metallic red coat, shiny and flawless. Rims polished. Chrome bumpers restored. We reassemble everything. New headlights, new Mustang logo, new tires. And now, this isn't a toy anymore. It's a collector's dream. A true mini muscle car. Like if you love car transformations. Comment. GT Legend if Mustang is your favorite. Subscribe for more epic restorations.